Hello friends, this year was quite special for me. This year I completed my 5 years at Amazon. So in this video I will discuss my 5 years journey at Amazon and things like what I like in Amazon, my life at SD1, the type of work I got as an SD1, when did I get promoted from SD1 to SD2, and also when did I move from India to US, and what is my life in US, and things that I don't like in Amazon. And we'll end this video after talking about the interview process in Amazon, okay, for SD1 and SD2. So without any further ado, let's get started. So I joined Amazon in August 2016, and this year August I completed my 5 years at Amazon, and Amazon took my 5-year-old blue badge and gave me this orange badge. So this orange badge is given to employees who completed 5 years in Amazon. The things that I really liked about Amazon is full of the sharpest brain in all the domains. Okay, so my floor was full of software developers and who have done their graduation or masters from IIT, NIT, BITS, like one of the top colleges from India, and they are very helpful and supportive in nature. And the other thing that I like about Amazon is the senior people, like senior engineers, senior manager, are in great reach. So if you have any doubt regarding your career, you can simply go and talk to them without any hesitation. And from SD point of view, the things that I liked about Amazon is working at a scale. So the scale at I worked is very high. Okay, like serving millions of messages per minute, having hundreds of servers behind load balancer. So the problem at this scale, you can't find it in Google or in any book. You have to do lot of analysis, lot of tests before coming to a conclusion. Okay, so it gives a very pleasure, like when you see your simple code change or your system is going to impact people around the world. Okay, so this gives a very good pleasure when you see that. So the second thing that I liked about working in Amazon is you are working on one of the best technologies, the cutting edge technologies that are currently available in the market. And the good thing is most of the technologies are developed by Amazon. Okay, so whenever you fall in some situation where you can't find solution in Google or in anywhere, any documentation, and so what you can do is you can directly contact the team who has developed these solutions. So मैंने personally like DynamoDB team और Kinesis AWS Kinesis team से अपने doubts clear करवाए हुए हैं. And the third thing that I like working in Amazon is Amazon has taken care of my learning from the very first day. Right, I have the premium access of many learning platforms that are like leading in cloud technologies in the market. So literally I have like premium access from 4 or 5 platforms, like whose premium subscription are costing like $40. So you can say like $200-300, like Amazon is spending on my learning per month. Okay, so it's so whenever I want to learn about any technologies, any cloud related technology, I can simply go there, just log in with my username and password, and I can easily access all the courses or tutorials or hands-on labs that are present there for free. So now let's talk about my life at SD1. Okay, so I joined Amazon on 1st August 2016, like directly from my graduation from my college. Okay, I graduated from Delhi Technological University. So in the initial days, I got small tasks. So my team works on some machine learning projects. They planned some small tasks for me, and my first task was based on refreshable try cache. Okay, so if you are thinking that your data structure is not used in companies, so you are wrong. Data structures and algorithms do use in industries. Okay, so my first task was based on refreshable cache. Okay, which was based on try data structure. The programming language used was Java. I was not much familiar with Java, so I keep learning Java and doing my small tasks, and learning from the feedbacks that I get from my peers on the code reviews which I used to raise. This thing continues like for 1.5 years. Outside work on Amazon, my teammates and my immediate sister teammates were like from different parts of the country. So सभी different parts से आए थे इंडिया के, like some were like from Rajasthan, Delhi, Madhya Pradesh. I'm from Bihar, and some from Hyderabad. ओके सो एंड द गुड थिंग इज सबकी एज लाइक ऑलमोस्ट बराबर ही थी, 2-4 साल ऊपर नीचे, लाइक सभी 23 से लेकर 27 के बीच में थे, लाइक फॉर 23 to 27, एंड एक्सेप्ट फ्यू पीपल लाइक मैनेजर्स। ओके सो हम लोग क्या करते थे, लाइक फ्राइडे को डिनर पे निकल जाते थे, और जो नई नई मूवीज रिलीज होती थी हम मूवी देखने चले जाते थे, फॉर एग्जाम्पल बाहुबली एंड मार्वल्स एवेंजर एंड गेम। देयर वॉज अ टाइम व्हेन टीम वाज ग्रोइंग, सो मेनी पीपल वर ज्वाइनिंग, पीपल वर गेटिंग प्रमोटेड, एंड मैनेजर्स लाइक हैव एंड मैनेजर्स यूज टू गिव अस अ मंथली पार्टी। सो लाइक ज्वाइनिंग की ज्वाइनिंग पार्टी होगी, प्रमोशन की प्रमोशन पार्टी, और मैनेजर का एक मंथली पार्टी। सो लाइक पूरे मंथ में लाइक दो आराम से हम, मंथ में क्या लाइक हर वीक में 1 या 2 बार हम आराम से डिनर पे चले जाते थे। ओके और जो हमारे सीनियर मैनेजर थे वो तो अलग ही, मतलब हर क्वार्टर में हम पूरी की पूरी टीम को ही, लाइक उनके अंदर 3 या 4 टीमें होती थी, वो सबको ही लेके किसी भी रिसोर्ट पे चले गए, कभी हैदराबाद फिल्म सिटी में। ओके और डायरेक्टर तो अलग ही स्वैग में, वो तो क्रिसमस पे पूरा फ्लोर ही लाइक डेकोरेट कर देते थे। और एक बार तो ऐसा हुआ, 1 या 2 बार तो ऐसा हुआ कि पूरी की पूरी और ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को ही वो लेके चले गए पूरा आईपीएल का मैच दिखाने, हैदराबाद में जो हुआ था। ओके सो काफ़ी अच्छा टाइम था एज एन SD1। ऑन SD1 आई वर्कड ऑन अ प्रोजेक्ट राइट फ्रॉम बिगिनिंग, तो पूरा लाइक बिगिनिंग से लेकर एंड तक मैंने और मेरी टीममेट्स ने मिलके ही पूरा डिज़ाइन डेवलप और कोड किया, फिर उसको डिप्लॉय किया, and the project was successfully launched. It's still in production right now, and people are using it. Okay so and after that after the completion of that project, 2 साल के बाद लाइक मैंने मेरा प्रमोशन हो गया, लाइक आई गट प्रमोटेड इन अक्टूबर 2018। ओके 2016 में ज्वाइन किया, 2018 में मेरा प्रमोशन हो गया, and after that the responsibility gets increased. Okay I got couple of new projects. Okay so टीम को मेरी टीम को ग्रो करना था, मैंने खुद इंटरव्यू लेना स्टार्ट किए, ज़्यादा इंटरव्यू नहीं लिए मैंने अमेजोन में, लाइक अमेजोन में मैंने अभी तक केवल 15 से 20 ही इंटरव्यू लिए हैं। एंड आफ्टर सम टाइम आई डिसाइडेड टू मूव टू US। सो लास्ट ईयर जनवरी एंड में मैं US मूव किया। मैंने ऑलरेडी एक वीडियो बना रखा है पूरे प्रोसेस के बारे में, अगर आप चाहो तो आप वो वीडियो जाके देख सकते हैं, मैं वीडियो का लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में डाल दूंगा। एंड यहाँ US में आते ही पूरी की पूरी लाइफ ही बदल गई, यहाँ पे आते ही पूरा लॉकडाउन हो गया, तो तब से लेकर अब तक मैं केवल घर से काम करता हूँ। कभी कभार मेरा मन करता तो मैं ऑफिस ले जाता हूँ, एक मंथ में 3 या 4 बार मैं ऑफिस जाता हूँ, क्योंकि पेंडेमिक है, सब कुछ बंद है, तो यहाँ आउटिंग का तो कुछ सीन नहीं है, कोई पार्टी वार्टी नहीं हो पाती है। बट हाँ मंथ में हर मंथ मैनेजर लाइक $30 के आसपास भेज देते हैं, तो हम लोग टीम पे एक मीटिंग हो जाती है, जिसमें हम लोग सब साथ में वीडियो कॉल पे आके खाना खाते हैं, कुछ डिस्कस करते हैं, गेम खेलते हैं। So now let's talk about Amazon work culture. In Amazon, generally you work on a task for which you prepare a doc, basically a design doc, and get it reviewed from your teammates. And whenever there is a big change required, we used to go with a senior engineer review, like senior engineer, principal engineers, and we get feedback from them. And based on the feedback, we made we make some changes. And after that, once the doc is finalized, then we start the implementation work. Okay, it's like same in most of the companies. As an SD, my work revolves around doing code reviews, doing some testing, writing integration test, unit test. Okay, and from build to deployment, that I personally manages for my changes. So it's quite different from a startup culture where you simply go write code and deploy without writing the integration test, without doing much testing. Okay, so it's a little bit different from a startup. Okay, so and since all our tasks like involves writing test cases, following all the best practices, so it can take some time. The things that I don't like about Amazon is most of the time we are working on tools and technologies that are proprietary to Amazon, so you can't simply Google your doubts and get your answer. But our internal community is very strong in helping each other, so most of the time we get help from our internal community. And the other thing that I don't like about Amazon is Amazon doesn't provide free food and gym facilities. In US, in India, it used to provide some food coupons and used to reimburse the gym. Okay, but in US, Amazon doesn't. I don't know the reason. Let's leave the reason on Amazon, because these two things are not that costly. So there must be some reason, that's why Amazon is not providing this. So this is a summary of my 5 years journey at Amazon. If you are interested in working in Amazon as a software developer, let me tell you, there is a huge opportunity. I saw the Amazon job space. There are more than 10,000 of software developments opening. So if you are interested in, do apply in Amazon. Okay, and the interview process for SD1 is there are like 3 to 4 rounds based on your computer science fundamentals most and problem solving. So if you are good at data structures, algorithm and computer fundamentals, then do apply for SD1. And for SD2 you can simply expect 2 more rounds. One is related to high level design and the other is low level design. So if you are interested, then do apply in Amazon. So yeah, this is for this video. I hope you like this video. Thanks. Bye.